What's up, y'all? So today, let's talk a little bit about stuffing. Whether it's store-bought, whether your friends made it, your family made it, or even you've made it, it's usually pretty dry. So today, we're going to change that by making the best stuffing. I swear to this, I make it every year. It's my favorite dish, and every time I make it, it's definitely a hit. Enough talking, let's get to making.
First, let's start with about 2 cups of cubed bread, and then we're going to spread that out evenly, and then we'll take 6 vegan croissants and crumble them up. If you don't have vegan croissants, you can easily use crescent rolls. Once we have our bread all evenly spread out, we're going to go ahead and bake it at about 350 degrees until golden and a little bit dry. Now we want to go ahead and heat a large pot to medium, add in a half a cup of vegan butter, 1 diced onion, and roughly 2 cups of chopped celery. Cook it down until it's nice and translucent, and then we'll add in 12 to 16 ounces of vegan sausage. Go ahead and give that a good crumble till it's nice and even. And now let's just throw in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Mix that around, followed by 2 tablespoons of chopped sage, 2 tablespoons of chopped thyme, and a pinch of garlic salt. Give it a few good stirs so that it's nice and evenly mixed. From there, let's go ahead and add in our toasted bread from earlier, about 1 handful at a time so that we don't overcrowd the pan. Now go ahead and mix it up, and then let's throw in the rest of our toasted bread. Now let's go ahead and add in our vegetable stock. We're going to use about 3 to 4 cups, but we'll add in 1 cup at a time and mix until it's evenly distributed. Once all of your stock has been added to the pan, make sure it's been mixed really well so that all the bread has gotten some of the liquid. Then we'll go ahead and add this to a greased pan, and we want to bake it at about 375 for about 45 to 60 minutes, turning halfway through. Once it's nice and golden, we'll remove it from the oven and garnish it with some fresh thyme or sage.
And now, my favorite part, the eating. Let's give it a try. Ooh, you can already hear it, not dry at all. Here we go. Super, super good. It's packed with flavor. There's so many textures. It's got the fresh and crunchiness of the celery, the sweetness of the onion and the croissants, the savory of the sausage. It is absolutely delicious. It's my favorite, and I hope it becomes your favorite too. If you like this recipe, the link is in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.